Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable high performance mode in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to enable high performance of your phones, let's see how can you do this. Just open your settings. From here you have two different ways. First way is that you have to increase your CPU speed limit. The second way is that you have to optimize your performance while you are gaming. So first of all, just open your battery settings, then go for power saving option, and here you must have to disable limit CPU speed to 70%. Just disable that. It will decrease your battery life, but it will increase your CPU speed. And after that, just go back and hit the second way. Just open your advanced features settings, then go for game booster settings, and here just tap on game optimization. Select performance here. So when you select performance, your phone will increase your performance while you are playing any game. So that's how you can easily enable high performance mode in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.